Hey guys, today we're going to be working on this Yanmar engine, putting new pistons in. I'm going to show you how we install a piston with the ring compressor. We're going to show you how we guide that in there and get it started. Now we're going to guide the piston in to the bore. We have the bore coated in oil as well as the piston. And then we take and push this in. Now we're going to put the rod end on with the new bearing. We put pre-assembly lube on here so we don't have a dry startup when we first start the engine until oil pressure is built. We put the numbers, we match the numbers on the end of the rod here. We get our bolts started. And then we torque it to 30 foot-pounds. And that's how we install a piston. We'll do that 2 more times and it'll be good.